Finding products to sell online is the easiest part of the game. The actual nightmare is finding enough margin to survive. That is where the European supplier BigBuy enters the conversation. They pitch themselves as a massive all-in-one system. They offer a huge catalog that hooks right into your storefront. They handle the inventory syncing, and they ship the orders for you. The biggest draw is their location. Operating out of Europe means delivery times completely crush the waits from overseas suppliers. That sounds like a massive win. But the reality of using this platform is deeply polarized. Some sellers swear by it. They rely on the automation to save countless hours. Plugging in thousands of products automatically feels like magic. You never touch the inventory or tape up a box. Everything just flows through one centralized hub. But then you hit the money problem. The complaints from active sellers are loud and consistent. The wholesale prices are simply not low enough to leave a decent profit margin. You might spot a great item in their catalog and get excited. Then you do a quick search online. You instantly realize other sellers are offering the exact same thing on major marketplaces. Sometimes they sell it for cheaper than your wholesale cost. Competing against that is completely brutal. Unless you have an incredibly strong brand, you will struggle. The barrier to entry is just too low. These products are accessible to everyone, making competition ridiculously heavy. Stock reliability is another massive issue. You might build a marketing campaign around a hot item. You launch ads and get traffic. Then suddenly, the item vanishes from the catalog. Users frequently report stock disappearing for long stretches of time. Building a reliable store on shifting sand is incredibly frustrating. Even the product data itself is a mixed bag. The imported descriptions and images often look incredibly messy. You have to spend serious time cleaning up the categories before your site looks remotely professional. Reviews are completely split down the middle. Some people praise the helpful team, while others complain bitterly about slow replies and nightmare refunds. So, who is this actually for? If you are established in Europe and understand e-commerce logistics, it is worth testing. The automation tools have real value. But if you are a total beginner looking for a shortcut, you should walk away. You cannot just pay a fee, upload a massive catalog, and watch cash roll in. Dropshipping is not about finding stuff to sell. It is about carving out a margin. It is about making your store look different from hundreds of others selling the exact same goods. Run a small test first. Calculate your actual profit after shipping, marketplace fees, refunds, and advertising costs. Only commit when the actual math makes sense. BigBuy is a powerful logistical tool for running an active business. It is definitely not a magic cheat code for starting one.